If you are a parent, it's a time to take a serious look at the public schools we have today. The system we have today, it was designed back in the 1800s to create obedient workers and soldiers. They do not create thinkers, they do not create creators. It's built like a factory, mass production, same process for every kid, no matter who they are, consume a lot of years of their early life, and don't pay attention to what their strengths or passions are. It's not about the child's growth, it's just about keeping the system running the way it is. And real reforms, they are not even on the table. I have been wondering about this, as in who's running this system, etc. You see, it's all around. If you want to teach in a public school, you need a B.Ed degree. If you want to teach in a university or a college, you need a PhD. A lot of these things are, one-sided from an ideological perspective. I was reading this book few months back from James Lindsay. This book name is The Marxification of Education, in which he clearly brings about the, uh, the, the bad things about the current education system. Now, the point is that we are at a point where the system isn't just outdated, it's starting to feel hostile to a lot of people, parents, even to kids who are thinking outside the box. As a advisor to the schools, etc., my idea is, and my suggestion is, that parents, you have a lot of options. You have homeschool, micro schools. There are a lot of alternative learning communities which you need to explore. Your child deserves an education that sees them as more as than a test score. Now is the time to wake up.